In the past, cardio machines for your own home were only for wealthy people. The machines were not only very expensive, they were huge. It took a lot of work to get them delivered and set up, which cost even more money. This is one of the major reasons people join a gym. You get access to very expensive cardio equipment for only a few dollars a day. There are many products available to choose from, best folding elliptical, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best folding ellipticals from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness SFE 905 Elliptical Machine. The SFE 905 is another great option from Sunny Health and Fitness. This looks like more of a traditional elliptical machine compared to the Airwalk trainer. This very affordable elliptical is great for an intense workout, as it features 8 different levels of magnetic resistance. This will allow you to make intensity changes to make your workout more engaging and challenging. You will also find non-slip pedals that will keep you secure and allow you to go at a more intense pace. And if you have near joint problems, you can take comfort in going faster, knowing there will be zero impact. The SFE 905 has a built-in heart rate sensor, which will help give you an accurate heart rate reading. This is important if you need to train in a certain target heart rate zone. If you have any balance or stability issues, this will be the best choice for you, as the SFE 905 features onboard stabilizers. Number 2. NordicTrack SpaceSaver SC9i. The NordicTrack SpaceSaver SC9i is the upgraded version of the SC7i. This one has a unique but effective folding system, but sports more technologically advanced software and mechanics, a longer warranty, and a more user-friendly screen. The screen is the most noticeable difference between the two ellipticals. The SC9i has an impressive high-definition 7-inch touchscreen. It's not just a data display screen, either. You can browse the internet and use it to follow along with iFit workouts. This is complemented by a pair of 3-inch speakers. If you don't wish to utilize the iFit programs, simply press and hold the Bluetooth button for 30 seconds to begin using your machine without needing to sign up for anything. With 30 onboard workouts, you won't be bored. You can also adjust between 24 different resistance levels and a 10-degree incline. Like the SC7i before it, the SC9i folds horizontally, the console folding down over the pedals. The transport wheels make it easy to move around the house and slot into a space where it's out of the way. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness SFE 902 Airwalk Trainer. The Airwalk Trainer from Sunny will be your best friend if you've had problems with your joints, feet, ankles, and knees. Most often, fitness is cut short not due to cardiovascular fatigue but joint discomfort and pain. You may be able to continue your workout, but you are stopped short. This elliptical trainer from Sunny Health and Fitness is a true glider. The full body motion of this elliptical not only works the full body, it helps to stretch your muscles while exercising. This is a good choice no matter what level of fitness you are at. It works great for just a gradual walking pace, but can also handle a more intense stride. It has large non-slip foot pedals to keep you secure, and a 45-inch stride length, which will give you a full range of motion, leading to more cardiovascular improvement. This is one of the most compact units you will find. Not only does it already have a small footprint, but it folds up easily and can be stored in small areas. Number 4. Gazelle Supreme by Tony Little. If there were one person that represents the elliptical machine, it would be Tony Little. He is synonymous with the infomercials of him riding the Gazelle elliptical. But the Gazelle Supreme is a high-end piece of equipment that can get you to your fittest state ever. This trainer is all about the gazelle-like motion that not only gives you a great cardio workout, there is zero impact on your joints and knees. This will allow you to go for extended cardio sessions, as you won't have to stop due to discomfort. This can really boost the results you get. The Gazelle Supreme is a unique machine that trains your entire body. This is what makes it one of the best cardiovascular exercises you can do. You can also use it at whatever fitness level you find yourself. You can start with a slower walking pace, but move up to a more intense run. What makes the Gazelle stand apart from other elliptical trainers is the different positions it can be used in. Number 5. NordicTrack SpaceSaver SC7i. This folding elliptical works slightly differently from most others, but it's a unique design that some people may prefer to the conventional ones. At first glance, it looks a bit longer than the average elliptical machine. The 18-pound flywheel is located at the rear of the machine behind the adjustable cushion pedals, which stabilizes the elliptical quite well and offers a good bit of resistance, while still staying relatively quiet. This makes the elliptical look quite long, as the flywheel isn't built into the main part of the machine. Most rear wheel machines situate the flywheel between the pedals. This unusual design serves a few purposes. First, it brings the pedals a little closer together, making them comfier for many users. Secondly, it's strategically placed so the elliptical can fold into a compact size. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.